Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, laptop keyboard keys not working, fix keyboard not working. First method is keyboard diagnostic. Second method is update keyboard driver. Third method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.